Hello and welcome, handsome and beautiful people, to my channel. I hope you are well. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. In today's video, I will be showing you how I moisturize and seal my fine type 4 natural hair using the LCO method. If you don't know what that means, it's the process of moisturizing natural hair with a liquid, a cream and an oil. Let's get right to it. I'll be using warm water in a spray bottle, my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream, and my oil mix. Feel free to use your favorite products for your hair, and do let me know if you'd like me to share what oils I mix together. I'm starting off on freshly detangled and deep conditioned hair in small, manageable, twisted sections. I'm going to start with one section at a time, and I'll use a bubble to tie up the sections I'm not working on. So to begin with, I unravel my twist, followed by a light finger detangle. Then I go in with my liquid, which is water, making sure to massage it well into my hair. Water is the key moisture here, so it's important to distribute it well through my hair strands. After which, I'm going to go in with my cream, just lightly finger detangling still. So I'm going to go in with my cream, which is my Cantu leave-in conditioner, about that much. I then work this into my hair thoroughly, separating my hair into smaller sections to ensure that I get every single strand. Make sure to pay attention to your ends and your edges, and don't leave them out. Once I'm done with the section, I twist it down a little, and then I wrap it up into a Bantu knot, like so, just to make sure it's out the way for my next section. So moving on to the next section, I do the same thing. Unravel my twist and lightly finger detangle. Then I go in with my water, making sure to work it in nicely from root to tip. Then I apply my cream. Make sure to pay attention to any loose hair and make sure you get it out the way. Working that cream in through from my roots to my ends. Once I'm done, I twist the section a little, and then I wrap my hair in a Bantu knot. I'm gonna continue this process throughout the rest of my hair. I hope you're enjoying this video thus far. If you are, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll be right back. Just slowing it down a touch to show you how shiny and defined my hair got from deep conditioning alone. It's so important to deep condition your hair regularly, and I absolutely love the deep conditioner that I use. It leaves my hair feeling super soft and healthy and looking super shiny. Now I'm done with my cream. It's time to seal in all that lovely moisture with some oil. So again, one section at a time, I unravel my knot and twist. I add a few drops of oil in the palm of my hands and rub it together. And then I apply it to my strands, once again working it in from root to tip. After which I twist up the section completely. Once I'm done, I roll the very tips into a small finger coil to avoid any loose ends. That's the first section done and looking very juicy. On to the next section. I add a few drops of oil to my palms. You see me here removing shed hairs from my hands to avoid getting them trapped up in my hair. And I apply the oil, working it in from root to tip. Once I'm done applying the oil, I twist up the section. I try as much as possible not to borrow hair from one section of the twist to the other. This makes for a less frizzy and more defined twist out when I'm ready to take down my twists. So you know the drill. I'll just continue with this process throughout my sections. My other applicator bottle, which you just saw me using, was leaking the oil. So I transfer the oil into another bottle to stop the waste. We don't got time to waste no oil. There you see my new bottle. Excuse me while I check out the juiciness of these twists. I'm sure you can see it too. All done now with my twister sections. I've got soft, juicy, shiny twists, and now of course it's time for some scalp love. So I put some oil onto my palm and distribute it through my scalp, not forgetting my edges, and I give it a good massage and we're good. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. My hair is so happy, so of course I am too. I just grabbed a bubble and set my hair in this really simple, cute style. And this is how I'll wear my hair until it's time for my midweek remoisturize, or until I'm ready to wear my twist out. Hopefully I can show you in another video what that looks like. You can find all the products I use in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. God bless you. Until next time, take care. Bye.